Let's learn how to divide 15 by 1/4 by using the concept of dividing by a fraction, which means multiplying by the reciprocal. In our problem, we have 15 divided by 1/4. Division by a fraction can sometimes be confusing, so we will break it down step by step. To divide by a fraction, we can multiply the number by the reciprocal of the fraction. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. It is essentially flipping the numerator with the denominator. So, instead of dividing, we can rewrite the problem as 15 times 4/1. Next, perform the multiplication. We multiply 15 by 4. In terms of fractions, that's like multiplying 15 over 1 times 4. The result of this multiplication is 60. So the answer to 15 divided by 1/4 is 60. Remember, when dividing by a fraction, you can multiply by its reciprocal. This will help you quickly convert any division problem with fractions into a multiplication problem, which is often easier to compute.